Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you are trying to print something and your HP DeskJet just won't cooperate, freezes, or shows weird errors, you know how frustrating it can be. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a simple power reset on your printer. This easy reset can fix a lot of common issues like connectivity problems, unresponsive buttons, or error messages. So stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step so your printer gets back to working like before. First, make sure your DeskJet printer is powered on. Next, you need to check if your printer's power cord is plugged directly into a wall outlet, not into a power strip. Now go to the back of your printer and unplug the power cord. Then remove the other end of the cable from the wall outlet. Wait at least one full minute. This helps reset the printer's power. After 1 minute, plug the power cable back into the outlet and then into the printer. Finally, press the power button to turn your printer back on.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.